Hi guys, I hope you're doing well today. So today we are going to be looking at some gel polishes. I'm going to do a full swatch video for you. So this is called Shine Myself. There are 21 total polishes in this particular set. I'm going to go ahead and open this up so we can see the inside here. So inside here, we get the user's manual, which looks like this. And this just gives you some information about that. You can go ahead and pause if you need to. And then inside the actual set here, you get your base coat, you get a non-wipe top coat, and then you get a matte top coat, and then you get 18 colors. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is pull all of these out, swatch them out for you, and we'll look at those individually. All right, guys, so here are the colors all swatched out together. So first we have BPCP01, BPCP02. Now these are all called BPCP, so instead of saying that each time, I'm just going to give you guys the numbers. So this is 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a close-up of each of these individually. I'm going to throw on some music, so it's going to be a little bit boring, but I also want to show you the texture of the polishes themselves, and then I will go ahead and give you guys my thoughts on those. Okay guys, so that's all of the swatches. I am going to have this linked down below in the description box, so if you guys are interested in this collection, you can find it there. So I did go ahead and do a nail design using these polishes. So if you're interested in seeing me use these, I will link that video up in the eye and then down below in the description box as well, so you can see me actually apply these. But the two colors that I used was 13 and 14, which is this beautiful green color, and then this kind of beige color here. I really liked the way those two look together. And I also used the matte top coat, which is a true matte, not a semi-matte or demi-matte, which is my preference as far as matte top coats go. So I really like the way that that nail look came out. And then here's an example of that matte top coat. As you can see here, I did half of this nail in the no wipe top coat, and then I did the other half in the matte, so you could see how matte that actually is. And that's just a random black polish, but I wanted to do that way I could show you guys the difference between the shiny and the matte. So I just kind of want to wrap up my thoughts as far as this collection goes. First off, I really like the color story in this. If you're looking for a fall or winter collection, this basically has all of the colors that you're going to need. I like that they had some cools and warms in here, and then I like the variety of greens that you get. You know, not a lot of collections think to add greens in it, but I do find that I reach quite a bit for greens. And then I like the variety of browns that they give you. Again, some cool tone, some warm tone. So overall, I really like the collection as far as the color story goes. I think they have some beautiful shimmers in here as well. The champagne color is gorgeous. The application of the polishes was really good. I didn't have any that pulled away from the base coat. Sometimes when you put down a base coat and you put a polish over it, it kind of shrinks away from the sides, which makes it really hard to get a nice clean line around your cuticle area. I didn't have any of that with this particular set. They all went on really smoothly. They were opaque within 2 coats. All of the swatches that I did here were 2 coats and then topped with their no wipe top coat. The polishes themselves didn't have a strong gel polish scent to them, so also I appreciate that. So I think overall, if you're looking for a fall collection of polishes, this might be the way to go. You get a really good amount of polishes and quite a good range of colors in this particular kit. So overall, I'm very happy with this. I wanted to say thank you to Born Pretty Store for sending me this to review for you guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to leave those in the comments. I will try to get back to you as quickly as possible. All links, including the link to my tutorial, will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys for watching.